how to change lock screen pin code number on Android phones. I am doing this on my Samsung. So simply get into your settings from the quick panel or from the app drawer. So get into your mobile phone settings. Here scroll down a bit and you would see security and privacy. So basically you have to get into lock screen. Now in the lock screen there is a lock screen type on the top. Simply tap on this. Now you have to enter your current pin. Simply enter your current pin, tap on continue. Now that you would find pin, password, and suppose you want to set a password, simply tap on password. I'm setting a pin code right now. So let me set it. This is, we have done adding this. Enter the pin, tap OK, and successfully you have set a new password or pin code for your Android or Samsung phone. So this is how you can do it. Suppose if you want to change it from pin to password, you can do that too. Simply tap on password and here name any password, like let me name it. So this is how this is how you can do it. So this is what you can do to change your lock screen pin code, password, and there are alternate options that you can enable, which is fingerprint if you have the face recognition biometrics thing, and if you want to remove the password, simply here is a swipe option. This is how you can do it. I hope you found the video helpful.